Then I removed the air filter cover to directly observe the carburetor. I checked whether the butterfly valve was moving smoothly or not. When I applied throttle, I noticed some blockage in the fuel supply, which suggested dirt or clogging. I manually adjusted it to ensure smooth acceleration. After adjusting the carburetor,
Claro.
the next important step was reinstalling the air filter assembly. I checked that the filter was clean and then carefully placed the black plastic housing back onto the carburetor, ensuring it was properly centered and tightly secured with bolts. Remember, if this housing is even slightly loose, unmetered air can enter the engine, which may cause the vehicle to stall repeatedly. After installing the filter, I started the engine again. Now the engine sound was much more stable and powerful. I also tested the accelerator cable to ensure the RPM was responding smoothly without delay. The vehicle was now accelerating properly without any issues. The car is now properly tuned, but it is recommended that you replace the air filter during the next oil change, as the current one looked slightly clogged. For now, you can drive it and test it.